Hello everybody, this is Andrew Dillon. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you all my past training videos I've been doing over the last year. Now, over 10 months ago, this was my first ever training video I made in April 2019. It was an Excel spreadsheet called Total Digital. It was just 4 minutes and got I got great reviews, great likes and comments. It was basically how to import the prices on top special offers and Blu-ray offers in a spreadsheet. Now I'm going to review the next video. That was the CV presentation on PowerPoint, which was 14 minutes. That basically presents and shows what you need to lay out in a presentation on PowerPoint, making a CV. You can create your references, your employment, your school education, your contact details, your abouts, your introduction, whatever. And you can also do your achievements and hobbies in the CV. I got a lot of comments and likes saying that people really enjoyed and liked the video that I created on PowerPoint making a CV. For excellent reviews. Now I'm going to move on. And then the next one shows the only database video I made so far. It was in Microsoft Access. It was 6 minutes and 7 seconds. It was the introduction to make a table design, how to add primary keys that are more than one primary key, to insert and design a form, and to edit the layout of the form. So, very good. And now I'm going to review the next video. These were my final lessons back in April. Those were live events from WWE. This is the next training video that I made. It was the 2 parts. This was the first part in my first payroll video that I presented and laid out. It was JoJo Limited and Andrew Dillon. It was inputting the employees' details and P45 form and going into the next months and doing their overtime and double pays and hours, and also inputting their PPS numbers, their departments, and seeing if any employees were on emergency tax, and also preview the payrolls and their pay slips. So that was mainly for what I did in those 2 parts of the payroll videos. The next one shows my first webcam that I hosted in the next Excel video, which was about Real World Ltd. It was mainly about to find the bicycle cost, to find the interest payable, to find the total payable, to find the deposit due, and the monthly amount, and also how to input the cells, how to do the borders around the spreadsheet. It was 11 minutes. I got likes and comments. Very good. It was an excellent layout. There was percentages of the interest rates and the amount that the monthly input was input into a table. It was a table name. Once I have that, then I can be able to create it into a dollar signs, $, A, B, C, or D, whatever the table is in, and then I can create that into a table, and then the number of rows, which is 2. So it's 2 rows, and I got an answer. So yeah, very good. Then the next 2 videos shows the basics of using Microsoft Access. I presented the basic details. It was mainly divided into 2 sessions. So the first half, this video shows the session 1, and then the next video will show the second session. It was a PowerPoint video session that I used certain features to use and create in Microsoft Access. The last section was to mainly print out a document in Microsoft Access. So yeah, that's it. The next one shows my personal self-evaluation and future planning on PowerPoint. It was a 15-minute video showing what I did in the 8 modules of the Advanced Computer Skills course, what I learned and what I enjoyed most on the course, and also doing my future planning, which was currently studying Advanced Business Management, and my future plans for this year, which was skydiving. I recently got a Christmas present and I'm doing skydiving during the year. Next one is another Excel video, and it's Andrew's Hardware Store. It's to basically find out the unit price, the quantity, the total, the discount and discounted price. And this was the first one on how to create a chart. So I did an introduction to create charts in Excel in Andrew's Hardware Store. So very good. The next one shows AD Direct 2U couriers. I created another chart and I done the basic prices, the additional charges and totals. And as you see, the job descriptions were already input into the sheets. Then the next one was a problem that I had to fix when I was doing a chart. It was the codes messing up on the inside of the chart. Do you see it there? And I also showed how to get rid of the legends on the bottom from the chart. You see it? You go to the legend and click none, and it turns off the legends in a chart. So yeah, that was basically what I had to do in that video. The next video is it's a PowerPoint video called Personal Essay. It was to show my personal skills and qualifications of what I did in my life, what was my interests and hobbies, and what I'd like to do in my past time. So yeah, basic good structure, basic presentations of my essay. The next one shows the 2 parts of online communication technology. Basically, I think the most favorite of the video was to decrease the use of using mobile phones and to train yourself with using breaks away from technologies. So yeah, very good. And there you see my picture and the heading on the main cover in the 4 slides of the presentation. You see? And I also, during the first video of that online communication technologies, I showed learners what tools were features and how to use them in PowerPoint. Next one shows the Excel video of Microsoft products. I have to find the interest payable, amount of quantity, special offers, bonus and amount payable in a spreadsheet. Again, there was no more payments and interest rates. I had to do a table and do $signs, dollars, and to create a chart to match those interest rates and payments in an Excel spreadsheet. The next video shows about my sales performance commission. So it's to find the commission and age next birthday in a sales performance spreadsheet, and to create a chart relating to the date of birth and the commission of the person's commission. And then the next video shows the sales bonus calculations. It was to find the income earned on the start of the spreadsheet. And then I have to do an Excel spreadsheet using to find sales target, target met, the bonus and the bonus amount. Then I had to create a chart relating to the target met and the bonus. Then the next one was the show my personal certificates and achievements. It was 3 parts. My first one shows the webcam myself presenting my 8-ball pool records, my results from last year, and my Peerless College certificate. The next one shows my fire training certificates, my playing lessons, and my QQI awards. And then my last one shows my few other certificates of playing lessons and QQI awards. Then the next one shows my 15-minute video or 2 parts. The first one is a 15-minute video of a webcam exclusively of you to use adverts and to sell and produce advert items online in adverts.ie. I use my Facebook account to share and advertise it to Facebook when I finish editing and selling the products online on adverts.ie. So yeah, very good. I was using the adverts.ie for my entrepreneurship assignment. And then another 2 parts of creating a payroll company called Andrews Unlimited Technology. It was a great video, but we had to do more extra overtime hours and pay wages. I had to input more pay slips, input more structured numbers of payments, and to issue P45 form on one of the employees that were no longer available for the next month. It's a very good structured payroll program I did, very good. The next one shows the self-evaluation of what I learned so far in advanced business management. It was a Christmas edition, so it was a Christmas background layout. It was to tell what I learned in advanced business management, what I learned in finance, not human resource management, I told you to start that now. What I learned in applied economics, what I learned in customer service, what I learned in international marketing, and what I learned in entrepreneurship. Yeah, entrepreneurship. And then the next video shows the Christmas global marketing. So what are the advances of marketing over the Christmas holidays, over December. And then the next was 2-part videos of PowerPoint of Peerless College details of the course and the qualifications. And then the next video shows the disadvantages of and advantages of entrepreneurship and the steps on how to become an entrepreneur. Then the next 5 videos was my past activities and achievements. I did soul kayaking. I hosted a video of my past memories of driving a tractor. Then I created a video of learning how to cycle in the downhill roads. Then I showed and presented a video on how to drive and control a digger. And then one last video I did is how to pilot and control a helicopter inside an airfield. So that's it. That's the end of my past videos and achievements of what I hosted and presented over the last year. So I hope you all enjoyed this very well. I hope you all enjoyed watching all the videos that I presented during the year. Great experience. Again, I got all these layouts and skills and presentations of doing professional presentation last year. It was a module. I done 2 presentations in the exam and I did a lot of paperwork, so it was a lot of effort. I achieved a merit on it, and after that I continued to make a whole massive amount of videos. So thank you all for watching and see you all soon. Good luck to all of you. Enjoy all your day and goodbye. Adios.